Chen nuar ka ngwan nuar kel chang wale e chang mango ga jes pelayo anwer civil defense force chen nuar bada te ga gangdor kir ka wayami. I would just call them Nuer civil defense force bo gang kan nuar ulang diu gai The only protection but I denga padang. Men pen noir work makal ajan dung lang diu guy. Manuel well. Dung lang diu guy Manuel well. Lano lang ajan la duop makal. Ajan duop tiang ajan. Duop makal. So this Nuer well for lang diu guy. They've been protecting denga but I'm all yak. Ajan raj ge ngong lo ali yak nyet be social media ke dung Nuer well got for lang diu guy. Work at the kulu because they now they're well protected. Ganga ke noir. Ganga jang noir. That's why to be do it dare. Garnet, de banaru garnet sagare, banaru matak dare, la bear la video over right. Ola, akuma yedu tawel, a dungulang, a dung well for lang. Lan a young and making a god that's Nuer well got for lang, bigger corn young hair, bigger corn young hair. But this thing is changing since the day before, 3 days now. Cha dungulang, dung ship brown bull. Cha moy get pek. Woo! Dung chi brown bull ya moy get pek. Men go koro lang. Kaken terego. Young matare noir kaken tereg. So SPLI will just come but 15 minutes. Tap, back up. Al-Fadal, la regoda, SPLI ubarja maluman jai view. They will go back too long. They try to have peace of mind. SPLIO is back again. Tap. Bungong a big again. Big Olang, they will go. They will leave. Olang will not take 3 days before they deserted Olang. Olang, they will empty. Lana Dorje jet. Make it a big kabir for Olang. SPLIO, your guard barra. Odenga Nuer, yoga ju, Denga Nuer. Ulang de Ugade, Osukata Malakal. Achan SPLI whistle for Malakal. Achan SPLI whistle for Mongolayak. Ladim Nade Shelobara. Ladim Ulang de Ugade, Denga Nuer, Elgado Mal Ladim Shelobara. So, Chenya Noir, Yom Kabir. It's a big day. It's a big day for SPLIO, big day for Nuer Civil Force. Morale but Nuer is high today. It's very high. On 24 February, Tuesday, 24 February, the morale but SPLIO is very high. SPLIO should take a morale medit. In October, Nagaja civilian would young. UN ja Madir ta UN jaben Madir ta UN amal documentary killing of civilian ta Nuer by hukuma but a monjang killing katabu zade they write like that killing of civilian ta Nuer by Denga government not South Sudanese government by Denga government. I swear a guy they write it like that. Killing of civilian of Nuer by Denka government. Medir la UN. Kwar UN medit. Pi is Africa de kulo, Africa kulo. Ya, wasal filaw. O now, Malta protection. Bekane yafin, pi jualaw. Malta protection of civilian. Unimis. Bebeta dung Bentiu, dung Malakal, dung Juba, dung Wow. Dung bor ba yes vin bi dakal bor dakal launwer na dan god kaman kadong onal la yari no man jamal da they will be protected by UN then Nuer Civil Defense Force and SPLIO they will go to work they will shoot kalamata danka man bam je shoot kalamata hukuma but hukuma da de intagalas hukuma now yam da fi walgak. They try to make noise gal wana ga cover pi walga dunga cover shebet mishkala ta cover da de biga mishkala madit tama mishkala madit sa da mishkala matoj mishkala mabor mishkala madit ka mishkala maduong ka mishkala kabir ka mishkala very big Michael da ko ba de traumatize Salva Kiir fi Juba. Salva Kiir is not talking. Salva Kiir ma ga da kalam fi Juba. Dunga ko ba da ko ba ma musuku la advocate de a ko ba che bol brown cha kam nin che bol brown that on 31st January a ko ba pen. Dan olanja that arba yom benen chop ka ko ba. Pat 31st January mafi dung che bol brown. But all arba yom anana mum ka ko ba pat mafi. Dan that guy you ben riya guy kok that wallahi riyang mishar bisana de wallahi riyang mishar bisana de budung riyang mishar moy ke pek budung riyang mishar moy ke pek cha moy no dung riya guy kok ke pek riya guy kok gad bum sajwa fi Nairobi Medina mafi akil mafi tele yow riyang mo guy kok ma baaro chel monol cheliu ol biliu nay kwedije ma baaro bo cha dung moy ke pek. Dan mo bordol jay nak nat bamji bentiu SPLIO bamji bentiu SPLIO bamji bentiu SPLIO don't belong to law aja mo bordol to we the that's mo bordol da SPLIO mo bordol da SPLIO document bita mo bordol kulu da SPLIO document bita mo bordol kulu ma SPLIO short mo bordol tile bilfam mo bordol ma indo isum bilfam ko je jang mo bordol ma bizol baaro mo bordol bilfam mo bordol da SPLIO whether you call himself kirgwang kirnyang kirogwal kirpuk SPLIO erun mer so kidogul SPLIO bamje bentiu dare mana mo bordol da bamje bentiu mo bordol da bo woga bentiu lana lo SPLIO belong to bentiu dan mo bordol da belong to bentiu lana document bita mo bordol o document online o document ta bandangai o document bata ngwen mintril o document bata munu de tut ka obara ma yo SPLIO tut ka ujen ko robas al ma SPLIO tut ka usna da SPLIO dan tut ka da de gad fi mal bata de ina ba chen o gad ga ma Salva Kiir o golo tut ka am jenum tut ka tut Salva Kiir bo golo tut ka wake up yala to chu button da tut ka ko lok dol kabir tut ka de is better honest man he never change ma bana dun werwe de man werwe tut ka chen werwe tut ka bas gad ke de bas one man with one decision no two decision lakin bag de kulu na ta bande ngai na do lan na za ngwen mintril na ka jes velayo ka jes velayo la kil shalu man denga shalu man bakil bara ta jabu man min maganis bara slowly ka dungnet min maganis jabal le jabal denga fi Juba jabal kunjur be ta bat ta bokuro akil afta ku jona tal ta laga na fuzu fi Juba kulu SPLIO waye no SPLIO waye utum kulu SPLIO. Look at your document. Look at signing of peace agreement. 2018, 2015. Look at those documents. No to my SPLIO. Chup document matao bude. Online gari chup document matao de. The muna sign peace agreement, but I chuluk kalam pinchala. Lo le mariang mai shar yang mai shar time. The muna sign awarak bata pinchala de. The mara kuang. The kuang was represented by the Toriang Mashar. Kalam pinchala. Karola ni chuba awarak al fi salam de. Ajad bata kirkwang kirnyang ajad ma shagal. Jen chala the JSPLA African Union. Chala the JSPLA African Union that we will only support 2018 peace agreement. We, the African leaders, will only support 2018 peace agreement. And men tell the African Union, Ogalo. That minamin de kuludare, kirwang, kirwal, kirpuk, kirnyang, my shagal. But 2018 peace agreement, what came to be known as revitalized peace agreement. Signed by who? Signed by the Toriang Mashar. Representing who? Representing the entire kingdom, but I shall. Bakalamping shall. So lele mungong na kai ni bang na bobordul na zolain na tabandanga gedunga SPLA waye. No, but that's why tabandanga is very smart. Can the kuma SPLA medelat. Tabandanga got kedebas. Mark got a good red cap. Lanu Barabu is very, very wise. Ma tabandanga is well educated. Emonjelaba. Emonjelaba. Very well educated. So Barum no so. Ngajero general SPLA. So mapi die another core side of SPLA if dogman bokul SPLA. Dogman with a salam kulu SPLA. Lakin na the line na mbordole, but lack of education which you know the kadu tagia SPLA way. No, good SPLA way. You are SPLA. Now the bordole, woman got among moments when I was lack of education, lack of thinking, lack of you know the SPLA way. No, it's a mass SPLA, it's a matak mapi built from. Just with a bordol, my people built from. Danga ma barabo. Till the may till the quen, till the door chalacal, till the malacama ye. Mabordole, mind of my year, it's a matter of built from. They will go unconfirmed officers. Woman Kuluman, other than that, unconfirmed officers. According to Danga ideology, Danga is very dangerous. Unconfirmed officers. The bomb the charcoal ma riak ma charcoal be charcoal ma nuer ge de askari bita gwala gal mado askari bita mabordol al mad de kasara bas bang luga bang bas ma fi isum jej bita denga de kulul ma je de lo matanga nyor lo dor go ban lo gel weng lo ted bai lo so Sudan people defense force lo tiger o de wala ta denga isum ta gat be bilfam ite mad ke de fi guruj be shilu bata danga be shilu bata la yo nanga kapin be shilu the family bata bogol the family bata sorry they chokol da government ran me shilu tet kuma askari bata dola ejen min la ladga be shilu guruj bata makoy be shilu bata kol manyang be shilu bata oyela be chuba to beta mod na bogol we sorry we lost the very good man defending his country when again round la pay. So mama, she like it. Kede more than 60,000 USD. 60,000 USD. Yela denga wogul the wall SPL away. Shakala mashikram. SPL away. Lakin jej bida mo bordolo jej bida olan. De jej bida bang. Luga bang bas. Bamje darabu kede tuminta ina de. Kalas kudu shilu tin badu kudu fidaro family bataw ma barabu ma fizol barabu denga ma barabu lana chot getsil ma fizol ndu sumta be belfam ma fi mana gweji ndu sumta be belfam de gwada sadik lo fizol balga haja dolan ma bordol yo balga choya ga de be besulamu lolan ashano lo nyidi le yalu taw besulamu le ma bordol lakin de nere kulu ma chulu de kulu dade min ma dorobo de wa me dorobo SPLA musajfa mafi barjaw le family bitaw how shameful is that denga yo gari samar dola sot ramma ci harjeji yo gari samar ita de lokan darab yo gari samar na zede we know la arab lon bitaw amer arab indu talim Arab gari jib mille. Arab gari jib ibira. Arab gari jib primary basic education. Gari gisimule junubin. Arab gari jib security. Protecting the entire South Sudan. Arab gari jib doa bata bagar. Batanu bagar. Lakin hukuma ta denga. Hukuma ta bang. Good for nothing. Nothing to show for it. Protection to civilian, sele, naga civilian. Moya quest, mafi, nas got little got shut up in Karaba, mafi, Chunu mafi. And why are you protecting government like that? Bas, shina young bas, woman bogol, you know. Gal dolo na do toru kun chiga young, prepared book. Because we're telling them the truth. Chiga young, yakwana, linganeme. Majorly call root. me choro la show me jelle korut me jin noir me ja wi de gar chemo bordol noir me ja wi de gar sholan noir me ja wi de gar chata bandangai ke jelle kor salbaker ram me choro la show changdar zede anga la yong ta an la yong ram joji ya zol ta mat dor wara zole be ta minek saget ole jin la yong jiram guram ro la changdar gede balarabe na de bogulla na de toro ko ndo man majanin nas biga majnunin خلاص كان نسأل سؤال البصار نفسه بالعربي لو انت قاعد تدور ورا راجل البول في جسم بتاعه لو انت مبورزل الشلاغو بيشلوك بتاع نوير لو انت تابان دانغاي الشلاغو بيشلوك بتاع عرب لو انت اول الشلاغو بيشلوك بتاع شلوك لو انت تتورمون من تويل الشلاغو بيشلوك بتاع نوير وانت قاعد تدور ورا راجل بول في جسم بتاعه ورا راجل بول في بنطلون بتاعه في قدام عالم كله asa dana yo mainun o deita yo mainun dana yo mainun o lita yo mainun they also have basara no that the fucking question right there in English if you are rolling with inshallah mark on your forehead or you are mabordal with nuer mark on your forehead nuer bata wood dana changa chai gar chai inshallah la wood socket make your cause في قدام ناس ود نوار ما يجي قاعد بس في قدام ناس بيشيل سلاح بضرب نفسه. But let me ask you this, if you are a Nuer man and Shulung man and you are following the man you call the president who urinated to himself in the daylight in front of the world, a man who urinated on himself, you call him a president. Now, who is crazy, me or you, the one who is following somebody like that? Now, scientists, all the entire medical field will advise people that zol el gade dor ma zol rajul el kabir el bul be jisim taw. They all mainun. So no ma majanin, putumi majanin. Naza labin wara zol ma gade kalam. Zol ma gade amam namso. Zol ma gade door sa ka de mafe. Door gade door the chameleon. Asa lo not maji bukura o not machin not gade go min Juba o not maji Bargadal awanishan not bo usol bisana kam sharkam. Not machin the chameleon bra. Ulo ito gade door zita taban de mamji musaifa. Dole de bishil bara fiyat betak. No matter what, fit a lot of never bishil dole da for bara fiyat betak. Jinubin, the woman big a coward, and they cannot do nothing about you. Ito bugo bukur zina la Jinubin gade call minek shilo bara. Lo UN, ma America big a coward. That's woman ma bishil ukuma da bara fiyat betak zol de shilo bara. Lakin robuna ma bukun coward. Robuna, God himself, ma bukun coward. So Robuna, it is just a matter of fucking time. Robuna beshilita. Lo UN coward, ujinubin coward, Robuna beshilita. Robuna la yo gade tala dinek, ukidutu bichuba zaita maji, the bat kede de Robuna, de shakala da Robuna. So why don't you go to a hospital in search of medical attention? Lana dole de babdal fiyeta jinubin. It doesn't matter what you do. Te bok tul yalda nuer kulu, te bok tul yalda shulu kulu, te bok tul yalda mole kulu, te bok tul yalda nywa kulu, dole de Robuna beshilu bara fiyat betak. And your time is numbers. Lo itama bodor, itama bakul, itama beshil, salbakir ma gade shil ma lagay kudu bukuchu madaw. Lana Robuna kasar yedeno. Salbakir ma bagdari dor, lana Robuna kasar kurabataw. Salbakir ma bagdari gara haje de kadu book for gadam bataw fi adisabale galo Salbakir, you are the head of the country, right? Yeah. That's read what you came here for. Tell the entire Africa, what do you want Africa to do for your country? And what did you do? Pakalam salam. Galena na Galo, my brother, this is not a daycare. I just gadamulu for daycare. You rather go to daycare. I need to bigger jalong. It's a bigger in the medical condition. Then you need to go to daycare. You need to go to daycare where people will take good care of you. Where people will take good care of you. Where people will dress you in bumpers. So it's a mob of bull for Tani. People will dress you in bumpers. Ashan mata amal for the alam tani. You need care to be taken. Amshi, malare, lana, when you cannot read. Very simple. It's all little but $1. It's all raised but $1. And it's a bit of the African Union, European Union, Arab League, Kulu. This is the unity of Africa. Not bit of unity with Africa, Musakabin, not Gowin, not Bijiri, not Bakalam. You see those of the Torabi, those are well-educated men, William Ruto, Jiran Matak, William Ruto was 6 PhD. 6 PhD, William Ruto was 6 PhD, raised by Kenya, well-educated man. Raised by Abaj. The Torabi, Prime Minister Abaj, was a PhD and half. PhD, into PhD in English, into half but Amharic. Half of Amharic. That's, we call it PhD and half. To chup raised but Uganda de. To kuch for Uganda in de. Shara, highway was for Uganda. Highway was night club. Job people are working. Dola Ghanaian, dola mindu Mikela but akil. Raizado, Museveni, at his 80-something years old, Gadamal push up, Gadam Jay Batao. Gadamal push up. Museveni, Gadamal push up. To kuch for Rwanda in de. Ooh. Wewe unajua Swahili. Wewe unajua Swahili. Hakuna devil. Mungo muja. Hakuna Mungo bila. That's Swahili now, but not going. Rwanda dare. Ite bukuda akil ite bushil dabo bezet. Ite bukudu fishara kede ite bushil ite bakulu nadif. Rwanda. Ila Jana Shetani Jilena Vejunu Sudan, Mabodere, you cannot read, you cannot talk, Mabodor, Ogala de Quarb, Africa, Quarb, $1. African Union Galeo, my brother, you belong to daycare, where they will take care of you. You've been running that country for 21 years. What else will you do tomorrow? Don't cough in as Museveni. Don't cough in as Museveni. Nas Museveni, they done well in their country. Even if they lost in that power, they done well. Those of Museveni, they done well in their country. Even they want to die in power, they done well. Museveni de ukirkanja laga Uganda da taban. Dole de halele de. God fi Musa o God fi walele shan Museveni. De Museveni lamal dole Uganda yakun fi mustashfa kwez lele, moya kwez, akil kwez, ajat kulu, night club, socializing. De Museveni, de dole na ida min da barjalo. By tribalism, wanna go, wanna bottle. So Museveni lo mad fi power, hata lo selam kursi le wallet bitao. He deserve it. Lanu wa amal dole da. Lakini ite Salva Kiir mamonjang bitao de, 21 years fi power, what have you done? What have you done? Salva Kiir, you are the captain of the country. But you just a captain, like you have no private jet, but are is. Tell you the Gadishil, Arbat, Mosalat with $1 tani. For example, Salva Kiir there in the African Union, ila Tayara ta Rwanda or Tayara ta Abajishilo. Head of a state kulum. Be head of a state that Somali Baji Batayara Batao. Head of a state Africa, I will do Maji Batayara Batao. Salva Kiir Batao, Maji by Mosalat and Natani. Pidakal Junubu Sudan, all your governors, Gadishil Arbata UN, Nas Mosalata UN, Nas the Lolare, Mashi Rung Gribine, Rungbus Gribine, Tayara ta UN, Shalo. Tayara ta UN. Tayara ta UN. Yaw Bashilo min Malakal, Lerang. What is it? Will you tell South Sudanese for election? Ita bogul, min for election. Why should we elect you? Why should we elect you as a president? To do what? I shan't take you the bull with you matak. Bogolo like amshi, Zola Bogol like amshi musachfa. You need a medical care. Zola Bogtolo. Zola Bogol ya Salvakera it a bull with you matak. The medical condition. Amchi musachfa. Amchi asad namsak. Save Junub. Junub will be better without you. Don't worry about Junub. Kalam denga Bogolo dade. Walaya lo Salvakir fat. The denga yoga the kalam dade. Sorry denga. Sorry denga yoga the kalam dade. Walaya lo Salvakir gambe kurti Junub de bakarap. Lo Salvakir gambe kurti Junub de bakarap. Lo Salvakir gambe kurti Junub de bakarap. They shouldn't quest the Junub al bakarap. They shouldn't quest the Junub al bakarap lo Salvakir gam. They shouldn't quest the Junub al bakarap lo Salvakir gam. Dola denga karabu minsa na yegudu. Fi aja bakarabutan fi Junub. Fi aja bakarabutan fi Junub. Junub Sudan been eliminated to one state. Juba bus, your pensioning is said for among 10 states that Junub Sudan been eliminated to one state, pensioning one state. Ujuba is pensioning lano fi abajenak. Tujar bada abaj, ufi tujar da Somali, ufi tujar da Uganda, ufi tujar bada Kenya, ufi UN, ufi munu. That's the only reason Juba de shagal. Lokan guard fi yeta denga barao de kan bukunda malakal. So what it is, denga leadership, what asa lo salo denga, wukita bilaler for 17 years. What have you done to Junubin? Sim kalam faru to Mongol we liberate in South Sudan. De kalam ta illa, but a denga fa illa. Ana zaru fi araza, but ana shulu kanona barana, anona gari wanas. Pi araza da shulu kanona barana, anona Mongol, anona yo gabila go if Junuf. Anona zaru yo majority fi Junuf. That's how we talk. Pijuahela. Lakin lo nona jafi kadam Junubin. Anona vasim kalam da. They sell support in agre. Lakin we nuka anona jifi kadam da Junubin. Anona bagula giga that denga oge bila kabir unwer mashi warao. Kalam al gali chulu go katiri na ma pitan. De kalam la juahela. So kalam tunga da gulu de that denga liberate people da. De kalam da juahela. The magiga. De kalam da juahela. Lo tum wusul bigdam Junubin da. Nobody liberated nobody. Then referendum, that's my liberation. Do not mistake referendum for liberation. In English, don't mistake referendum for liberation. Liberation they yaw tigre amalo. Liberation, tigre, Uyana shakal mawkumata mangiza al-Mariam for 30 years. Woman misiga de sababa bagua, gulbet, bagua. Umangiza jara, West Piala jara. They ought to go liberation. Liberation. You liberated yourself. Lakin lo SPL shakal for 21 years. Uma misik malakal. Uma misik juba. Uma misik wow. Lakin de salam shamil ya malu. Ashan limu junubin kulu algan ma Arab algan ma munu algan ma munu limu to be given opportunity whether they will choose to remain united as the Sudanese or they will exit. You cannot claim a liberation with Mali. That's salam. Your job dollar that. The masala. Sila can't have a jib dollar that, but Mugu da danga, Salam have a jib dollar that. Mugul feeder. Salam have a jib dollar that. That's salam a jab dollar. So lo salo and one, Abilalier guard for Juba, Jalwang Abilalier, Bundi Abilalier guard for Juba. That Abilalier, when you were in one, what have you accomplished than division among South Sudanese? Korokora, the Munijab Korokora, the Munijab Korokora, the Munijab beggar for Juba, the Madangabur, the Mabilaler Madangabur, beggar Roman and Mitchell for Juba, Maru blame beggar Radangabur got a shield for Juba Kumpatana. Kulmayom but the shield for Juba. So 17 years at the head of the state. Territory when you know you did not accomplish anything but division among South Sudanese. They're why. Lo John Garang Salo, Robuna Sal John Garang, that for 21 years. 21 years. It's a God for God, but whatever you are conflict, then division, now satisfaction, to retraction, anyanya two, anyanya munu, karbina kwany decision, around town decision, majere gay katalo, uncle do mat, Salvakir Marat. Salvakir Marat 2020, 2004, Salvakir Marat, Salvakir agade Marat. Ma shandanga bazana na tabani bumukuta uman ma babe kalam ta batale ila be jebu mikela ta nwer mikela ta lama kol mikela ta olan mikela ta bandanga mikela ta nwer lakin Salvakir Marat. Why? Because of bad leadership bad leadership da dangabur banadu jongram Salvakir Marat. Kala Nijile Salvakir for 21 years. Zola kan ba malaje kwes. Zola kan ba chub hukum da danga boro banala bilalera batale o zola ba chub hukum da tui John Garang min kongor al hukum ta batala la William Lowen pan bira gwan fan kosum dare. He could have taken something out of this leadership. That's a bilalera kasam nas be korkora. John Garang kasam nas fi gaba. Ana Salvakir I will do different. Ana Bashir Junubin Betregatani. Mafi, he came like his own brothers. Uja like a Kwanu Tana Dade. Salvakir Garbi, for 21 years before, what have he done? No Salu, I live in Juba. Gabalmai Mut, Lana Mut. No Salu for Juba. I can't live. Salu Salvakir. For 21 years, what have you done for this country? Name one thing you have accomplished. Because Dade. The Sharmota for J1. Gar Negrujal fi Blue House, Gar Kolkor Egat, Gar Mulunga Wana Egat, Gar Bulmer Egat, Gar Young Misha de Okarabelet, save the movement in the back, Gar 1991, Libiskake, what happened in 1991 will never happen again. Visional, Gar Shuluk Dorobo, Shalo Aral, but I was a Lamula Dang half a dam. Visional down in it. Fiaja quiz? So Tumdenga, before you run your mouth and accusing people of having a mental problem or homeless, homeless do TV, homeless, the definition of homeless in English, that's somebody on the street. Somebody on the street, homeless, that means you have no home. You have no home in English. But the problem, Denga, I'm out of English. And I got people get my kursi. Or your TV, or your remote. How can I be homeless? The TV, the remote. Fi homeless, they do TV or remote for your street. Like in lack of education. So before you are accusing other people that go to better your life, that's so they got Denka, got the shield not down dollar, Portago, Bagasamu. You better listen. Lani, you shame the entire world. And people are not talking about Nuer. UN is talking about your garbage leadership. America is talking about your garbage leadership. The entire world, African Union is talking about your garbage leadership. Mati jib riang mi share for. Riang mi share ma before. Nuer ma before. Nuer are the victims. Victim matagum. The Chuluk were the victim. Kalam lagada mulna United said it's not the they can't ma badav male. Junubin kana mulu United for 2008 against Chuluk. Against Chuluk. Against Chuluk. Junubin Kulu include Nuera Mali United against Chuluk. That's what Salva Kiir been doing. Now he united South Sudanese against Nuer. Bukurai will unite South Sudanese against Denga. So before you accuse her of having a mental problem, you should check yourself with psychiatric hospital. Now, if you are following Rajil, you can't bull bijism tau. Rajil, you can't bull bijism tau. A little medical condition. Bull vigadam na the Kamara gari shubu zere. the life kulu life ta Salva Kiir. It is all a door what a rajil was can they might have the mental problem. It ain't a mental problem. Lana, why rajil was can? Lana to mandate shilu musaifa. Lan, if it is a medical condition, shilu musaifa. Mabizol bogula wide. It can happen to anyone. But when you to mandate shilu musaifa, utum there receive gudamnas, manazol bigger was can. Bigger was can, kalas. Banaro was can. Lanu, you refuse hospital. Utum be mukbuda denga mukbuda bagar mukbuda shaitan utuma ba te shil zole pi hospital la utum da na kilraw na the srek uma bi zolem je sejin so bam sugu da ban so when you refuse to help him as an shil bu musaifa where he can be helped taken care of, by doctors then nona al fadal we have no choice banaru was can there was can zole bul bi jisum daw da what do you tell her that zole might do medical problem. That's what you're telling us. That these men have nothing called medical problem. Luzol Salim, Umaga the doors landed the correction. The gangster work as all. They style, the gangster. So no Salva Kiir is doing some gangster style. Swag. He's swagging. Ajade Kulu Dade. Then who will call him a dead motherfucker? Later got the bull which is Zol Kabir. You are doing swag like a gang, which you look at it. It should be a gang for New York and a bull which is young white. It is you the gang that done the diff for doing it. Yo, my niggas, not Labis, Air Jordan, the mobile gang, Labis. Just of the Walmart, the Air Jordan, 500 above, the 1,000 fair of its sneaker. Not very clean, the wearing chain, dab Kulufumale. Woman got a good yo, socket. Woman got a good yo, Lano, woman the dip, bit the black America. Another kan ga da numma banata black America o banata khajada ashan bitta black America yishu de zol nadif min ma diji de bashil galgad batak bu kudu fi nakar bataw bu shumu de yow mal fi wasak da rajul kulo bitta black America ba gabal ma to numma bashil galgad batak de bu shumu de yo lo ite zol nadif bu golak ite zol nadif to mo ga numma lakin lo ite ma nadif bu golala la riya batak de waskan nana riya de and mama no Maria de Bentamini, it is over scan. So raise Batagum, low mother medical attention, do this wag, who got Amal is wag with a gangster. Man, raise Batagum was scan. There was scan. That's why we came up with this idea that the race was scan. Lanu to mother the hill of himself. Take him to hospital now. To got the door with them, not the purpose. It's a much when there's only dead man walking. So to Mdanga, shame on you. Don't attack us. We just telling you as it is. Lan lozole mindo he have no medical problem. Wajadu garamal swag duar bataw there bukada de gade swag wajadu kulu dare mana zolo waskan lan le gen kabir zir gade bul bi jisum taw fi gnamnas. Ran ci laaje gop ran yeri bi belata danga rajil kabir. Oh the medical condition kusumma kala shilu bu musaifa lo the medical condition ngot. Medical condition was the money of the doctor Mendanga. Albamal Galamde. The munu, the mention, the munum, doctor Fibeleta Junubran will take care of the mention. And none of was of Musawa Dak. Mind that the guy Rosade, Illa Shilu for London, all in Shilu for America, all in Shilu for Canada, all in Shilu, Dubai, Mabamalaya, you for dollar Takawajan, irregular for 6 months, 6 months, sit a shower for under doctor care. Bargade Sado, Yamalu Amelia, Yamalu Chunu Dare. Lakin Denga Galala, Zola de mind why I make it, then Zola was can. Nan lo mind to make it or the bull, which is without Manazola was can, motherfucker. Biba we biba dunga ko ba shebet mikala ta ko ba da ta min yal dan kai na de law shebet gal boktul vidan ga da bas boktul vidan be je ba gal shilu fi ko inta shalu sala da ta na mul mulai ha fi wal ga shilu inta o bersun o langde be jir baraw o nuere ba dakal la yala ba dakal ba malakal ba dakal ba ngol ala ya la malakal juwa chomi chur For those who are wondering why I play this song a lot, I love this song. I love it. It is a motivation song. Motivation song. I love this song. If you take him to a hospital, you don't need a hectic president. Riek Machar is a president. Riek Machar is a president. Should document but Salam sign for somebody who has good question here. If we take him to a hospital, who will be a hectic president? Don't worry about that. Riek Machar is a president. That's Salam. That Riek Machar about the Vidola Dak. Riek Machar will be Mala. That's Salam. Riek Machar being in jail today because you violate peace agreement. Lore kalam mujur katalu mujur ma katalu da askere lakin mujur katalu ka da amal shuno ma mujur katalu boktul finwer kane amalu ke mujur yani kane bok esibu yektul finwer fi korwa ka yektul finwer enum ma nuswanda nwer ba guo ele jewla flower mujur ran for the pay no shut the fuck up ma de shagala na rujal ga de shagal mujur ma do nwer ma fi juno yani ma de shagala Le sejeno Riek Machar lema sejeno Salva Kiir bakala Majur was committing crime in Nazar. Majur was committing high profile crime in Nazar, include sexual harassment, rape case. Kan malian case malian. Wasa de figdam rubuna na de Majur jadaw finar gada rego ina lano chetam. So not shakal da rujal fi Nazar. Shakal da rujal o Majur talaw dinu. لانه قتل ناس وقتلوا في شنو يعني ما مجرب لابس كاكي عشان يموت راجل ما لابس كاكي عشان يموت راجل وكده لابس كاكي ده عشان تموت عشان تقتل وتموت سو نوير قتلوا مجرب جادون جل man موجه بيك what is the problem here كلام بس يجنو رياض مشيا no عشان دنگا سجمانين بس دنگا سجمانين لو كان بس يجنو ناس كان بس يجنو يعني جون قدن كان بس يجنو بكلام جيجو قتل جيج بلا سودان John Garang ma Salva Kiir umen kan bugod bisijin kulum. John Garang ma Salva Kiir kida malu salam de kan umen bedagal bisijin kulum lan umen kan katal jej bila Sudan. Umen Malaysia umen katal jej bila Sudan. Gal tarir. Ma yo kalam de gala malu gala sejino nuer ba kalam shagala da rujal. Ma shan denga kawet bas. Denga kawet. Na siakal mad who give a fuck. De shagala. Utum shab nuer yon wad gala kor be kalam abiza malu inaare. Ma fi janu rujal ata god bata waya mizaru mat woman they celebrating his achievement lakin le denga ga de ko kala munjur taluk sa mijrim wala de Malaysia ma butula ke ma de shakala Salva Kiir katal kam munaraf John Garang katal kam mun jebi Sudan Malaysia o kida malu salam ma sejeno le Riek Machar sejeno kalam salam ma Salva Kiir amal salam وجون غران عمل سلام وما سجنوا من بكلام ناس ومن كان قتل عرب ومن كان قتل جيش بتاع حكومه ضباط بتاع حكومه اجيت اميت ومن كان قتل بشغله ومن مجرمين ده كريمنال ريبل ميليشيات لكن حكومه السودان ما ده حكومه عنده مقدر ناس كان شغله ده بقتل ناس اللي قتلوا ده بتاع عرب they will be forgiven وناس جنوبنا كده will be forgiven then انا ببدا في نزل بالسلام لكن دنگا اما وايد اما يجر اما يجر دنگا ده من تابع لا مجر كله مجر منو راجل واحد دولة بموت بكلام راجل واحد get the fuck out of here. Thank you, Nyalim, right. Thank you. Today I'm with Nuer, tomorrow I'm with Denga. Now, let me tell you this. Salva Kiir today was Denga, tomorrow was Nuer. Why you don't correct him? Salva Kiir today was Shuluk, tomorrow got Shagal my Shuluk. Why you don't correct him? Why Shagal Batai, Ukirana Wagi Manuer, and Ukunga Shim Yalvanaza, Levi Kamikila Kabir Denga. Salva Kiir got all on Yalelolan was today, yesterday his enemy. Salva Kiir got Mobordal was today, yesterday his enemy. Tabane denga ri shagal ma Salva Kiir le denga babe na the door ma denga lakin na mo door ma Nuer. Why you very jealous of Nuer? Lo not me door ga door ma Nuer la not my door ma Nuer not my door ma denga lel ni mor ko somkum. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Nuer Media celebrate this. SPLI is doing well. SPLI is doing well now. It's doing well for Alanil. It's doing well for Laida Jungle. If SPLI was not doing well, can Malbanado cover? They would have taken long time ago. Can't Charlo class. Lakin because the woman ma wasn't for cover because SPLI was doing well. Now that's Nuer Media. You did well. Shama Golat. That's you made the world. You made the world aware. Now the entire Africa is speaking. Could be social media, TikTok. The entire Africa is speaking loudly against Denga regime. Young Africa on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, they are speaking very loudly against Denga regime Bijuba. And they're calling it what it is, that tribal government against Nuer, targeting of Nuer. Naza Catalufia Yode, Nuer Jabu on social media, God bless you. It's not about boom Nuare. Shekala Demuk. The world must be made aware of Denga targeting war against civilian Nuer. Lana lo Denga da kan gari shakal ma SPLIO ana ma chuba askari bita SPLIO the robo. Kulmayom bas tayara ga da drop moton Nuer. So it is our duty to let the world know, and we already let the world know. What we're doing here is very useful. It's to make the world, whatever we say in social media is translate by America. Facebook is owned by America. It doesn't matter what language you speak on Facebook. Will be translated by America. And they know that we're talking the videos. How many times Denga report my video? But Mawagaf, America got the love middle fingers, they fuck you. That awareness. And this guy must continue talking. How many times they report my page? Nana Denga, when they know that the truth is coming out, they don't want you to speak the truth. That's why now Musugu nas katina William Deng dur kor position nas galiam da William Deng dur kor fagu wen William Deng ku ka fi bluas ga de negu fi bluas kalam when you try to speak Beleta Denga SPL batala dinak so they try to treat us like Denga got the summer SPL got the summer Denga like an SPL got the summer ana SPL got the summer ana. I'm a young educated shuluk in New York for 27 years. In the Yal Makawajat, in the lawyer batai, in the doctor batai, in the shokol batai, in the bed batai. I don't need any security from you. I will speak loud against Salva Kiir regime. Lana regime de bagaro. Lema, nobody if the African Union Jabaragal Salva Kiir, you have a right. A chance decision Riek Machar. The entire Africa, 54 country. Who am I to question 54 country? When they say that Salva Kiir is at fault, Salva Kiir Kaltan, they arbo komsin dolat with Africa. Yogal Salva Kiir Kaltan. Salva Kiir Kaltan madenga gulu. Magal Riek Machar Kaltan. Magal Nuer Kaltan. Gal de denga ma hukum mutam yo Kaltan. 54 country of Africa. UN kaman gal de denga yo Kaltan. That's why they sanctioned South Sudan. Arm embargo. That dollar ma baji ajata askere got give fi online de bogu ba choy. Museveni sare fi bed min Museveni amanu elected. Museveni become a new man. Ma fi jej da Uganda fi Junub Sudan. Museveni da galo tayara de ma derin. Asa chekale fi lang de ma fi tayara jabu. Lana Museveni is not talking now since he been elected. Lana America got a killer mouth. That's ukuma fi Junub de bagaro. Ukuma da ma bashir alam gidam. Lana America into interest with South Sudan. America ma basib dollar Junub Sudan yakun fi mutamarridin katir na daktul badu kul mayom. Lana America yo jab dollar de. America that was the one supporting SPLA for Gaba. Nas bata kanisa. Lutheran Church. Lutheran Church, Catholic Church with America de, they were very supportive of SPLA for Gaba. They shame America lele. So America is working hard. UN is working hard. Achan Salva Kiir shilo bara. Le shilo bara. God, live the sanction. Sanction there, Amulu live America, God, fuck all of you. Sanction number one, Amulu live, beziru. As a Medir, woman, they try to, woman, they're the thought of the UN. Medir, the UN, Jala, that's beziru zadu. Malata UN for Junuf to protect civilians against this regime. Brutal regime, useless regime. So why should who am I to question the entire world against this regime? I'm on the right side. And history will judge me. History will judge me. I'm so proud that I'm doing this. Thank you guys. Children, are you doing well? Keep supporting your people. Leave alone chocolate Bible. Leave alone dung dog. Cord dog ma bibi chocolate dog bow nas bara. Leave it alone. Leave alone bull chocolate. Do not distract yourself from the reality. The reality would young ne jalariak. Denka yo michela da Junub Sudan. The ma dog, the ma bull, the ma jagay, the ma nyong, the ma gajok, the ma gajak, the ma gawer, the ma lak, the ma law. The denka yo michela. Do not distract yourself from reality.